Family movie night. All right, can you push play, please? Oh, shoot. Hey, can you go turn off the light, please? I just sat down. Don't pause it. Thank you. All right, sit down. All right, can you push play? Hey.
Dad has the remote.
I know. Here, turn the light on so we can see the remote. Come on. Oh man, okay.
Click the button.
Okay, click the button. Alright, now we're good. Sit down, let's go watch a movie. We got so tired of having to jump up every time we sat down for movies or to watch a show and turn on and off the light, especially when we couldn't see the remote in the dark. So today I'm going to be installing the Levitan Decora Smart dimmer switch. And the cool thing about this is I can control it with my phone. So we don't have to jump up and down. Every time we want to turn on or off the lights while we're watching, we can dim it, we can turn it all the way on, or just, have mood lighting. Gather a few supplies and I'm going to show you how to replace your regular switches with a Decora Smart dimmer switch. Locate the circuit for your lights. Go ahead and turn your lights on and then turn off the switch so you can verify that they really are off. Then go ahead and remove your switches and use a voltage tester to double check that there's no power to your switch. Look on the side of your Levitan Decora Smart dimmer switch and locate the different color screws. Look inside your electrical box and make sure you have a ground, a neutral, a load, and a line wire. If your electrical box does not have this configuration, check with a licensed electrician. You can determine the line wire, which is the wire bringing the power in from your house, by turning the power back on and using your voltage tester to see which one has the power. Don't forget to turn the power back off, and then go ahead and start making your connections. Always connect the ground first, followed by the neutral, and then your load, and finally the line wires. Gently tuck your switch back into the electrical box and then secure the switch. Turn on the power and check your connections. If everything's working, then go ahead and put your Decora Smart switch plates on. After you get your Decora Smart dimmers installed, go ahead and download the My Levitan app and then follow the instructions to connect your dimmers to your phone. Once you have the My Levitan app set up, you can control the lights with your phone. Or if you have an Amazon Echo, you can control it with your voice. Alexa, turn on the wall sconces.
Okay.
Kind of cool, huh? The other cool thing about the My Levitan app is that you can actually create a schedule in the app so you can have your lights come on and off at certain times during the day. It's great for when you're on vacation because then it looks like you're home. Go ahead and check out the Levitan Decora Smart dimmer switches and other products to see how you can automate your home. Are you guys ready for family movie night?
Yeah.
Awesome, let's play.
Yay.
Oh shoot, I forgot the lights.
I'll get it.
Oh no, don't worry about it, I got
Whoa.
it. Cool, huh?